This is your thunderstorm warning for south central Weld County in northeastern Colorado, southwestern Morgan County in northeastern Colorado until midnight. At 11:27 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wiggins, or 18 miles west of Fort Morgan, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
My goodness.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wiggins around 11:40 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central